What's up, YouTube? This is Michael on Trushine cleaning. Out here getting ready to clean these 5 pieces of furniture. I just got done vacuuming and pre-spraying them. This house is so it's a lot of stuff around, but what's going on? Here go all the pillows right here. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm gonna pull all of these out once I'm done in here. So I've already pre-sprayed everything. I already vacuumed out. So now I'm about to get ready to bring the hoses in. Let me see if I can see. It's pretty cold out today. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, you guys can see it. Look at that. It is 21 degrees out here in Florissant. Pretty easy setup though. So I definitely have to move fast because I don't want my hoses to start freezing. These right here are known to start freezing once it gets below a certain temperature. Alright, you guys, showing you guys how this is going. It's a lot hot in here, but I ain't complaining because it's definitely cold outside. So I'll show you guys. I've already done this one, that one, that one. I just have these 2 left. These 2 actually were probably the worst out of all of them. But I just want to show you guys the cleaning. Alright, you guys, showing you guys the finished walkthrough of this furniture. Came out great, honestly. I don't know if I got a good before video of how those bottom cushions look. This little spot right here didn't come out, but if you would have seen how it looked at first, that's at least 90% better. But wrapping up now.